Hi, welcome to my Twitch channel. So for today, um, we're going to, we're gonna draw, but we're gonna draw some, like, risque stuff, so that, like, it'll be a little bit, like, different. It'll be more like, what's the word? Kind of like more like a adult. Sorry, this shirt isn't low cut that much. So I was gonna play Ocarina of Time, but my cat pissed on the whole Nintendo, and also I spilled a tequila on it. But cheers. So today we're gonna do a draw of yeah mom, Ugh. She found my vape. So we're gonna learn how to draw like 2 circles, and then fuck, God damn it, I don't even have my script. I don't have my fucking script. Janet. Fucking bitch. Whatever. Anyway, we're gonna draw 2. I can't put on this act anymore. Goodbye.